this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube TV no sound or sound on YouTube TV. So many of users or many of people face this problem, but don't know how to fix it. In this video, I will show you dozens of solutions, so keep watching until the end of the video. The first solution, if you face this problem on YouTube TV, is by checking your volume sound on your phone. So try to rise up the volume and slow down the volume of your phone. This is the first solution. The second solution is by updating your YouTube TV app by going to Google Play, then search for the app YouTube TV like this. Then try to update the YouTube company. The second way is by clearing the cache and the data of the app. What you're going to do on your TV screen or on your device, click on the app, then go to settings. For example, this app, click on it, long click, then click on app info. Then what you're going to do, you go to storage usage and you clear cache and data of the app. Then go out from there. The second or the third solution of this problem is by restarting your app. Restart your app, go out from the app, then open it again. This is the third solution. The fourth solution is by restarting your phone. Try to restart your phone, then start it again or turn it on again. This is the another solution for this problem. Another solution, the fifth solution or the sixth solution, is by try different channels and videos on this app. Maybe the channels you run or the videos you run, specific videos have this problem. So what you're going to do, try to search for another videos or watch another videos or another channels to check if the problem is specific or is general. This is the sixth solution. The seventh solution, also another solution for this problem, is by checking your TV HDMI cable. So go to your HDMI cable, try to, for example, try to check if this HDMI is connected very well to your TV or to your device. This is the other solution. The other solution you want to do is by contacting the support of YouTube TV. But before that, what you're going to do also by checking the audio on your TV screen. On your TV screen, check your audio, rise the volume and low the volume to fix this problem. So check your volume on your TV device. This is the other solution. Also, you can reinstall the app of YouTube TV. Go to the app and click on it. Long click, then click on install like that. Click on install, then install it again to your TV or to your device. This is the other solution. The other solution is by checking your internet connection. Check your internet connection if it's working very well. Then restart it and start it again if you use Wi-Fi or data. So this is the whole solution of this problem. You can check also the other solution by contacting the YouTube TV app by going to Google Chrome, for example. Google Chrome, click here and write YouTube TV support like this. Then what you're going to do, you click on this first site, then go down until you find Contact Tino, click on it. Then what you're going to do, you click here in this arrow, then click on YouTube TV. Then here you want to do, you want to write how the support can help you with, or the problem you face. You write it here. The problem you face is the problem you face is related with sound, so write here the problem in this rectangular space, then click on next. For example, no sound. Here, write no sound, then click on next here. Then, for example, you choose the problem that's related with your problem here. If related with your television or lecture or application no working or anything. For example, you choose the first one, then you choose the first one or the second one or the third or the fourth. Then you click on Swivent here, etapp Swivent. Then you click here on etapp Swivent again. Then for it there you will be contacted. Or the other solution is by clicking on the third, or sorry, you click here and you write your problem, no sound. Then click on search. Then you will find here many solutions can help you with. So this is how to fix YouTube TV no sound problem. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.